I don't think it's a filing cabinet. I would call it an entertainment center. Well, so that chair is just holding the light up? Ooh.
Did you find it?
No, but we found a Sennheiser microphone thingy.
Well, instead of storing your files locally, in this video series, we're going to be going over the basics of OneDrive.
But when companies use this traditional model, they were also in the computer business.
Office 365, and there's a sync button here.
Should take down these lights.
No, I'm going to need them.
For what?
For when we do... This is what you're talking about?
Oh.
2 different microphones plug into this thing, and then it comes out as one into what you're recording with. The only downside is you have to carry this thing around with you.
Yeah, that's fine. But where's the other lavalier mic? I have a receiver and a mic.
Right.
Behind this opaque window.
Right. So, here's 1. Here's 2.
And these work on the same channels as the other guys?
Yeah, it's been tested.
it's been tested.
Oh, I mean...
I pulled a good one.
We recorded like 30 minutes of us just talking about SharePoint, and then we realized that no one turned the mic on.
Hey, you got your own verb, alright.
Yeah, it's for, you know.
Goodman.
Alright. You have a meeting with council.
So we just migrated them from Hex 2010 to Office 365. They were actually on the fence between 365 and the Google G Suite. And the main reason that they chose Office 365 is because they're interested in SharePoint and Teams and OneDrive and all the collaboration features and everything that comes with it. And so the next step is to actually they're going to migrate their documents from Dropbox to SharePoint and roll out Teams.
Who's doing the actual migrating of the data? Is it Javier?
Well, since it's coming from Dropbox, we'll actually have to do some research into how to do that.
We have to do an assessment.
An assessment, so that's the whole thing. We're going to go on site and do an assessment.
Uh-huh.
So the first part, I want to talk to the stakeholders to find out, what they need, right? So whether they need like an HR side, accounting side, sales or marketing, who needs permissions to what, and kind of build that template out. And then we can move the data into the correct sites, and then roll out Teams and general users.
They're a Mac shop, aren't they?